What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video for you guys, and it's about how much my first check was on YouTube. I have been on YouTube for 10 years, and if you think about jumping on YouTube now, go ahead and get on the bandwagon before they do any more updates or any other requirements, because it's a little tough right now. But they give you options. So in order to get monetized, you do have to have 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have 4,000 watch hours or 10 million views on your shorts, right? I need to take these glasses off because they're not going with this ring light, but we just gonna do what it do, okay? So my first check on YouTube ever was, it wasn't that much, but we're getting better. And like I said, this was a learning opportunity for me. I enjoy doing YouTube, so I'm not looking for the money right now. I really wasn't looking for the money anyway, but I like doing YouTube. I like getting things out there. I like doing hair, things of that nature. So I'm in I have my niche. My niche is hair. And so I've stuck with it. I've been consistent this whole month. Okay? This whole month. However, YouTube did demonetize me about 2 years ago or 3 years ago. I did get demonetized. We will talk about that. We will touch on that. But my first YouTube check was, drum roll, that was my first YouTube check. It's a little po. But we here, and I'm grateful, okay? I'm grateful. The key to getting monetized is to stay consistent. Stay consistent and post shorts. Post shorts with your content, and post your content in the related videos. Post shorts. You hear what I'm saying? Are you listening? You think they hear me? Oh, okay. But listen, post the shorts. I see so many people say shorts don't work, shorts don't work, shorts work. If you want to get to the 1,000 subscribers quick, post shorts. And post your content as a related video. You're welcome. And stay consistent. If you stay consistent, you will consistently stay in the algorithm. Okay? The algorithm works a different way. It actually pulls people in, and it try to find, the video try to find its viewer. So when I upload a video, it doesn't have that many viewers. Like if you have 2,000 or 200 viewers, I don't really get an audience. So it's like it's finding its audience, okay? And you gotta know your audience. That's one thing, know your audience. And it's videos like this, like the one I'm doing, that will always hit on YouTube. Ain't it right? Ain't it right, friend? Do this video. When you get paid, do this video. When you get to the 1,000 subscribers, tell people how you got there. And thank me later. Okay? Thank you for watching.